Think of your health story. Every visit, every test, it needs a special code, a secret language for doctors and for hospitals. These codes tell everything. They are tiny keys unlocking big information, vital for care, vital for understanding. Who makes these codes? People do. Smart people, medical coders, they read doctors' notes, often complex and hard to read. They find the right code, like finding one star in a billion stars. It needs focus, it needs precision. But this work is hard. So many codes now, thousands and thousands, new diseases appear, new treatments too. The universe of medicine expands, humans get tired, humans can make mistakes. A small slip can cause big problems. A wrong code is trouble. A bill might be wrong, insurance might say no. Patients get confused, doctors wait for payment. Research can be skewed. We need better ways, faster ways, more accurate. The old maps need updating for this medical cosmos. Now imagine something new, a brilliant helper, not human but smart, artificial intelligence, AI. It's like a superbrain made of computer code. It can learn very fast, faster than us. It doesn't sleep, always ready to work. How does AI learn coding? We teach it, we feed it information, millions of medical notes, millions of correct codes. All anonymous, of course, privacy is key. AI finds patterns, it sees connections like a cosmic detective. This AI is not just a parrot, it doesn't just copy. It starts to understand. It learns medical language, the meaning behind words. It reads a doctor's report. It suggests the best codes with surprising skill. A new kind of intelligence born from data. Is AI here to replace people? No, not at all. Think of AI as a tool, a very powerful tool, like a new telescope for astronomers of medicine. It helps humans see better, work smarter, not harder. Humans guide the AI. Together, they are stronger. What can AI do in coding? It works with lightning speed, scanning patient files instantly, finding the codes needed. Imagine messages to Mars. AI makes it that fast. Human coders are freed. They tackle complex puzzles, the truly hard cases. AI handles the routine. AI also brings amazing accuracy. Humans are great, but we err, especially when busy or tired. AI is consistent, very steady. Fewer mistakes in codes. That means correct bills. Insurance claims move smoothly. Patients are happier. Doctors are too. A universe in balance. Doctors feel this benefit. Less time on paperwork, so much paperwork. AI can automate parts. This gives doctors time. More time for patients, more time for healing. That is their main mission, their true calling. AI helps them focus there. Patients win with AI too. Fewer errors are a big deal. No more surprise bills, no more insurance fights. Coding is faster now. Claims get processed quicker. This can mean faster care, better health journeys, like clear pathways through the healthcare galaxy. The whole health system improves. Good data is like starlight, it guides us. AI creates better data. Hospitals use resources wisely. Researchers find new cures. They spot health trends, protecting all of us. A healthier world. A shared cosmic destiny. But we must be cautious. This journey needs care. What if AI is wrong? Who fixes it? Who is responsible? AI must be fair. No bias from old data. Patient privacy is sacred, like a hidden nebula. These are big questions. We must answer them well. People need to learn. This is a new frontier. Doctors, coders, everyone. They need training. To use AI tools well. To trust them. Change can feel strange, like stepping on a new planet, but it leads to growth and new discoveries. The future is bright. AI in medicine shines like a new sun. It promises better healthcare, more efficient, more human. AI does not replace us, it elevates us. It frees our human spirit to connect, to care. A new age dawns for health.